you need a Habib hat and for Habib power to fire these fireworks. Like these voodoo, you see, this is a ghost. This is dangerous. That's why I have my Habib hat. It should give me a lot of power. And these are also very dangerous. You need to hold them. I was about to drop fireworks. And also I have my fire. Don't play with fire. So guys, the first thing that I'm doing is unboxing them. So this is one. So we have to stick them in the ground and light them here. Oh my god, that one was so big! That literally went all the way in. So guys, they're getting ready for the red hot fireworks and that is so scary. You can barely see my face properly. The thing about these fireworks is that the explosion thing is up here, so you have to stretch it out a little bit like this. So yeah, this is the third one.
Wait, it is too far.
Okay, stop it. Run! Oh! Look at the fun here! Now that I've started to be here, I might not be as scared. So you might not see me 2 years being scared, but maybe for 1 year. firework version. So now I am part of the Star Wars crew. My lightsaber.
Up.
So guys, finally we're in the light. Not like this with my light. And it's still scary. So yeah. And it's still very cold. My hands are freezing. Guys, we're lighting up one more. So let's go.
You're free.
Thank you.
That can only I thought
Look at this, guys. This is telling you guys to subscribe, make that bell go ding ding, and also share this video with your friends, family, whoever, ghosts, I don't know, your pets. And also make that bell go ding ding so you get notified whenever I post a new video, whenever I set a new firework on fire.